In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add GIF in Instagram comments. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, and then we can get into comments under some post, and all we have to do now in order to add a GIF is just tap at that GIF button. It will show us different GIFs. We can scroll down to select GIF we would like to use. Also, we can use search to search for some specific GIFs, and then to send it, just tap at that GIF. If you don't see that button here, you have to go to the App Store or Play Market, search for Instagram, and then make sure that you have the latest Instagram version. If this button says update, just tap on it and wait for the update process to complete. After that, open up Instagram app, and that GIF icon should appear right here near the text field. That's how you can easily add GIF in Instagram comments.